A new report released this morning has revealed the UK Border Force has made its biggest ever seizure of Class A drugs, nearly 6 tonnes of cocaine. We sent our correspondent, Oliver Whitfield-Miočić, to see the haul, and he spoke with the drug threat lead at the NCA, Andy Mason, and started by asking him about the discovery.
It was 5.7 tonnes of cocaine. It was in a consignment of bananas that had arrived from South America. And working closely with the Border Force, we were able to uncover what is a record haul of cocaine.
When you look at the pictures of the cocaine parcels, there's thousands of them. Talk us through sort of the weight of these parcels and how much that all adds up to.
If we just take this one consignment alone, at UK street prices, it's worth £450 million. The cost to the importing crime group, about £25 million. So it's a huge hit against the crime group that's importing it.
But it's barely scratching the surface.
I wouldn't say it's barely scratching the surface. It's a big amount when you look at the UK consumption of cocaine, which is around about 117 tonnes per annum. So it's a fair percentage of that market.
Who's responsible for the drugs crisis that we face at the moment? Is it the drug dealers, is it the drug users, or is it the manufacturers?
I think it is fair to say that if people didn't wish to take drugs and consume drugs, we wouldn't have the problem. And I think what's lost with a lot of particularly cocaine users is they don't see the harms that they're causing throughout the supply chain in terms of violence and murder, but also in terms of the environmental consequences, because what you're looking at with cocaine is a product that's grown in the rainforest, it's produced in the rainforest with diesel, acids, lime, all of that gets dumped into a pristine rainforest. The environmental consequences of that are absolutely vast.
So is your message to middle-class coke snorters that they should stop putting the white stuff up their nose to save the planet then?
So it absolutely is. And I think that the harms from cocaine are not fully appreciated by the people who might perhaps be very careful to put their green recycling into the correct recycling bin, but then they're doing a line of coke and causing far more damage to the environment.